All right, so we've been having a problem with a process module restarting. We're not sure if it's the problem with the power supply, too much heat, or the processor, or something completely unrelated. But it's probably one of those few things. We have replaced the power supply, and so far that seems to be working okay. But we're also concerned that there might be an intermittent drop in power going to it, so we're gonna throw this in to make sure that we have clean power going in all the time. So this is an uninterruptible power supply. This is by APC. They're a good quality brand. This is a 1500 volt amp, so this is a high level consumer grade UPS. The very first thing we have to do is charge this thing up for a day or two. So it comes with all kinds of bells and whistles. We got coax cable, we got a USB port, we got Ethernet jack, so we can monitor this thing remotely if we really wanted to. You can see we got a little report, so they have tested this thing to make sure it works, so that's a very good thing. We got some quality control. And it's got a warning on here. We have to connect the battery before we start. The red label's on top, that means there's no power. Flip it over. It says insert this way. Now we are connected. So it looks like it's fully charged, has 594 minutes runtime remaining, so that's good. But I'm still gonna let this thing charge and just make sure that it's fully charged and everything's working okay before I actually plug it into the process module. I don't want to risk damaging that thing. All right, so we're installing this for the process module today because it's been having some intermittent problems.
Go ahead, I'll play camera guy.
Okay. All right, and we can see that this is actually attached right here to F14, this breaker. And it's running a wire through this conduit up and into here. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on hold, a process module, and then we're going to shut it off. Just to be safe, I'm gonna shut the breaker off. Now somebody previously had already attached a wire to it, so that's less work for me. It's gonna be real easy. So you plug in the UPS, and the UPS has two sides. So we got surge protection over here and battery backup. The whole reason for the UPS is for the battery backup, so we're gonna be plugging it in on this side. Now I'm gonna turn the breaker back on, turn on the UPS. I'm gonna flip the process module back on and turn the hold off. Now it's gonna take somewhere between 5 and 30 minutes for this thing to boot back up. Then we'll reset everything and that'll be it.